Welcome back to the show, guys. Now it's time for this week's Caribbean Video of the Week. Here is Nebula 868 with Ice the Man.
On the beach with my cooler, ain't no nigga cooler. Sometimes I hop a plane and go overseas, but I live where you vacate, I don't wanna leave. When y'all love me style, them mad over me, yeah. And in case you never heard of me, now you know where I from, girl, I demand. On my island, every gal look like a model. Hit up Diddy, Ciroc flavors, need a mango. Short pants, flip flops, I demand. Coming from the island, look at me, them youth men wildin'. Look at me, I demand, I demand, I demand, I demand, I demand, I demand. Damn, them island girls are hot, I had to cut it. And them already know it's we who run it. Yeah, can't ball like me, the sunny wet like lake. Screw face with a roll lightly, big split with a roll lightweight. Y'all drop it for me like damn, got me throwing them bands. Oh, all up on Instagram, hashtagging IZ man. Yo, them gal and them down for the crew, they loving the shit that we do, man. Just an island nigga making moves, don't fuck with these regular dudes, man. Oh, you know where I from, gal, I demand. On my island, every gal look like a model. Hit up Diddy, Ciroc flavors, need a mango. Short pants, flip flops, I demand. Coming from the island, look at me, them youth men wildin'.
Old school DJ Johnny Osborne is profiled in this week's Ray and Nephew Trailblazer feature.
Jamaican reggae singer Johnny Osborne blazed the charts from the late 1970s into the mid-1980s with his songs including Booty Bye,
Booty bye, booty bye, booty bye, booty bye, booty bye number one. Booty bye, booty bye, booty bye, booty bye, booty bye number two. Booty bye, booty bye, booty bye, booty bye, booty bye number three. Booty bye, booty bye, booty bye, booty bye, booty bye number four. Hold up your hand if you love her, then your fashion and style.
Ice Cream Love,
I don't want no ice cream love, that's too cold for me, little girl. I don't want no ice cream love, girl, can't you see? I want a love that's warmer than the summer sunshine.
Water Pumping,
You do the thing, you keep you rocking and I swing the water pumping. Darling, make me do the water pumping. You do the thing, you keep you rocking and I swing the water pumping. Darling, make me do the water pumping.
Truths and Rights, and Yo-Yo. But since the late 1980s into the 2000s, Osborne vanished from the charts and not much has been heard from him locally. But where is Johnny Osborne these days and what has he been up to? Born Errol Osborne in 1948, he became the lead vocalist for a group called the Wildcats and recorded for producer Winston Riley. Osborne went solo and began to record for producer Coxstone Dodd's Studio One label. His debut solo single, All I Have Is Love, was released in 1969. Later that year, his debut album, Come Back Darling, was released, but he later moved to Canada and became lead vocalist for a group called Aishan People. After the group broke up in 1979, he returned to Jamaica where he scored a number of hits. After his career slowed down, he moved to Brooklyn, New York, where he now resides. These days, Johnny Osborne is still recording and performing on the oldies circuit. In 2013, his song, Mr. Marshall, was sampled by Major Lazer on the single Ja No Partial, which made the Billboard dance charts. This has been our Ray and Nephew Trailblazers feature, where we bring you up to date on what some of our past musical stars have been up to in recent times. Join us next time for another feature.
Now it's time for this week's Magnum Top 10 Charts.
You know, go aside mineral progress. We know you know nothing with you. If you're not showing no progress, man, figure through life without no stress. Be friends with some people that's hopeless. Cause them are not them talk about things and them school. I I just saw them tongue tan.
I got a car full of girls and it's going real slow. And on the beach, everybody want go. And pool party turn up like wow, everybody feel happy.
You jump on the bike and a dilly dally. Your pretty body initially make you win the Grammy. Your body hot, you're not shrivel like me granny. So come and rub down for me body. Yeah, Mr. Mellow.
I'll be with you always, honey, right by your side. Hey, forget the
broke off your back, girl. Who you are ramp with? On no game. Anytime you're ready, girl. So me name.
The place get wet like
in a rain.
Then I make you feel. Take the nigga and shake up your room. Take the nigga 'cause you know say you're plumper. My bad girl stiff like 3 stone. How we the girl with the big bumper then?
Bushman, original Bushman. All with a Benz we are driving with.
Fine, see me baby, everything crisp. My good love make you turn and crisp. Compose by your head.
Everything I do it for you. Yeah.
Strings, but out of everything. Your love means everything to me. Love means everything to me. Girl, your love means everything to me. Your love means everything to me. What da 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 yeah. Your love means everything to me. Your love means everything to me. We could fly away. Your love means everything to me. My life is open. You can walk in.
And that's how we pull the curtains down on this week's episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leana. A special thanks to you for viewing each and every week. Be sure to follow us on social media at Pree Dis Show and like our Facebook page. Until next week, see you soon.